So, a very good morning to all. I hope most of you are there. There are still few who are missing. I was just waiting for them. So today we will study EVS subject, and the topic is food we eat. That is chapter 7, food we eat. So today we will be doing the revision of the chapter. So before we begin with the class, I'll just ask few questions to few students. Let's begin. Asmi Sharma. Yes, Asmi.
Yes, ma'am.
So question for you is, we have already done the chapters. Today is a revision. So I'll be just asking you few questions in between and then we'll begin with the today's session. So what do we need to grow and stay healthy? I repeat my question. What do we need to grow and stay healthy? Very simple question. Yes, ask me. Should I go to the next? Ask me, I'll go to the next. Shivanya Charak.
Yes, ma'am.
So the question is again, I repeat, what do we need to grow and stay healthy?
Ma'am, we eat healthy food and water to grow.
Okay, food. Okay, that's true. Food was the answer. Good. Good, Shivanya.
Ma'am.
Pavneet.
Yes, ma'am.
Question for you is, we get food from where?
Animals. We get food from animals and plants.
Good. Right there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you there. Mahi,
Yes, ma'am.
can you name some cereals?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Wheat,
Okay.
rice, and corn.
Okay. Wheat, rice, and corn are few cereals. There's still who are now joining. Okay. The next question I will ask. 1 minute. Yes. Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
who provides us with milk, butter, paneer, and eggs? Which source of food?
What, ma'am?
Who provides us with milk, butter, paneer, and eggs? The question was previously asked, where do we get food from? One child said plants and animals. So just a guess I'm giving you. So who provides us with milk, butter, paneer, and eggs? Which source?
Animals.
Okay, animals, right there. It is animals. I'll go to the next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, there. Rasgun,
Yes, ma'am.
name the 3 types of food.
Bodybuilding food,
Good.
energy giving food,
Yes. Energy giving, bodybuilding, and one more is there. Okay, I'll help you out. It's protective food. Okay, it's protective food. Aisha, Malik,
Yes, ma'am.
who are vegetarians? Who are vegetarians? Which type of people are called vegetarians?
Vegetarian are that people that do not eat chicken.
Or you can say simply
ठीक है
people who eat vegetables, okay? So let me ask someone else to give me a better answer. Just a minute. Akshita, Akshita,
yes ma'am
who are vegetarians? Can you give me a better reply?
vegetarians are those not eat egg fish he called vegetarian
Say people who eat vegetables are called simple vegetarians. Don't do those who don't eat meat. Let it be very simple and precise. Okay. Ahana, Ahana,
yes ma'am
who are non-vegetarians? Yes, Ahana. Who are non-vegetarians? What happened? You all are not giving reply. I think you have forgotten, Ahana. I'll mute you. I'll go to the next. Anvi, Anvi. Yes, Anvi. No answer from you. I think you people have forgotten this chapter. Pushti. Yes, Pushti.
yes ma'am
Dear, who are non-vegetarians?
the people who eat meat eggs and chicken are called non-vegetarians
Okay, so these were the questions I asked. Thank you, dear. So now let's begin with the chapter. We'll be just revising whatever we have studied is just a revision, and in between I'll be asking you questions. So be attentive. So as we have learned that we need food to grow and stay healthy, food is something that we eat. So all living things need food to live. It is made of nutrients. We eat breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, and dinner at night. So food helps us to grow healthy and strong. So let us study about the importance of food and various food sources. There are few who are scribbling. It's not a good thing. 1 minute, I'll just close. See, every time I have to tell you not to touch the screen, don't not to scribble, but same thing happens daily. So yes. So before sources of food, I like to tell importance of food. So there are many types of food items which help our body in different ways. Some of them give us energy to do different types of work. Other food items help us to grow. Some protect us from falling ill and help us fight diseases. So sources of food, you can see there are different sources of food which you can see on the screen. We get food from both plants and animals. So plants give us cereals such as wheat, rice and corn. They also produce pulses such as gram. We get fruits and vegetables from plants. Animals provide us with milk, butter, ghee, paneer, and eggs. The question which was already asked to you just before the class started. So, some of us eat fish and chicken. These food items come from animals. Now, Types of food. There are mainly three types of food, that is energy giving food, in which carbohydrates come. Another is your bodybuilding food, in which proteins come. And the third type is protective food, which involves vitamins and minerals. Yes. So there are different eating habits. People who eat fruits, grains, nuts, and vegetables are called vegetarians. I repeat, people who eat fruits, grains, nuts, and vegetables are called vegetarians. They do not eat meat, chicken, and fish. Whereas people who eat chicken, fish, and meat are called non vegetarians. The food we eat contains nutrients, that is, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients help us to work and play, grow, stay healthy, and fit. So the now comes your energy giving food. You can see on your screen the different types of food which give us energy. You can see on your screens it's honey, apple is there, eggs are shown, sweet potatoes are shown, salmon, oranges, banana, oats, beans, spinach, yogurt, and almonds. So these are all your energy giving food. Energy giving foods have a lot of carbohydrates. I repeat, energy giving foods have a lot of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give us energy, like rice, potatoes, butter, chapatis, beans, cheese, and sugar are your energy giving foods. Then comes your bodybuilding foods, which contain a lot of proteins. Proteins help our body to grow. Proteins help to make our bones and muscles strong. Grains, pulses, peas, milk, almonds, soya bean, and eggs are body building food. On your screens, you can see chicken is there, mutton is there, egg is there, milk, everything is shown. These are all protein. All these items are having proteins in it, and this protein helps our body to grow, and it also helps our body, our bones and muscles to be strong. Now comes your protective food. Protective foods contain vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals prevent us from falling ill. They protect us from germs. Fruits like lemon, orange, melon, sorry. It's lemon, orange, and melon, M-E-L-O-N, melon, have vitamins in it. So vegetables such as spinach, sweet potatoes, carrots, lettuce also have vitamins. So before we go to good food habits, let's talk about 1 minute about a balanced diet. So the type of food that a person usually eats is called a diet or a meal. So somebody asks you, So what is a diet or a meal? You can say the type of food that a person usually eats is called a diet or meal. So our meal should have food items of all the three types, that is your proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. Such a meal is also called a balanced diet. A balanced diet has a right amount of nutrients and keeps us healthy. I repeat, a balanced diet has the right amount of nutrients and keeps us healthy. So now we will talk about good food habits, or we can say good eating habits. It means same. See, on your screens, they have shown you wash your hands before and after you eat food and drink water in a glass. See how neatly, because other some are taking water directly from the bottle. And if in home there are others who also will drink water from the same bottle, so it will get contaminated. So better is you take it in your own glass and give water to others at home also in a glass. Don't take directly from bottle, because sometimes it touches your mouth and the other person doesn't like it, or it gets infected if you are ill. And the other is the picture is showing that you chew your food properly, so that the food gets digested correctly. So now I'll discuss about good eating habits. What are the do's and don'ts? First is what will come in do's category is we should wash our hands before eating, as already told you. So the which we should avoid doing it, that we should not eat after long gaps. The next point is we should eat our meals at the right time. Untimely food is not good for your health. So we should not waste food or spill food. This is which is not required. So the next is we should chew our food properly every time we eat. We should not eat while watching television or doing other things. So when you are eating, we should focus on your eating, not that you, otherwise your mind gets diverted and it's not good for your health. We should always eat fresh and clean food. We should not eat while lying down. Many times we see we are eating in our rooms. So it is very convenient for us, especially there are many teenagers who are watching TV in the room only. They don't want to eat together with others when you are in a joint family, or even if you are in a nuclear family. They try, the youngsters especially, they eat their food in their rooms. So they lie down. They don't sit properly while eating. They lie down and eat, and that is also not a good sign. That is not good for your health. The next is we should brush our teeth after eating. Next, last one is that we should not drink unclean water. We should drink clean water. So next is your prevention of food. Next is your prevention of food. Yes, on your screen you see how nicely they have preserved the food. So we should eat clean and fresh food to stay healthy. Stale food can affect your health. Stale means old food, which is not freshly prepared food, which is old one, maybe yesterday's or 2 days back food. So stale food can affect our health. We may fall sick if we eat such kind of food. So ways to keep food free from germs. These are the ways in which we can keep our food free from germs. So we should take care of the following things. The first one is wash our hands before eating our food, because germs are found in dirty hands. And second is clean our utensils before cooking food in them. Next is third point is wash the vegetables, rice and pulses before cooking. Next is store our food in clean places. Keep our food covered. Don't keep it uncovered. Keep the kitchen clean to protect our food from germs. Clean our plates and glasses every day. Now, methods of preserving food. Preserving food means keeping it fresh. So boiling is one method. Refrigerating is another method. So when we say boiling, boiling means heating something in water till we can see steam rising from it. Vegetables can be boiled before being cooked. Boiling helps us to destroy the germs present in food. Next is refrigerating. The refrigerators are cold inside. When I say refrigerators, I mean to say in common language, we say it's a fridge. So it's also called a refrigerator. Germs cannot grow there inside the refrigerator. Food is kept inside refrigerators to keep them fresh for a longer period. So food items such as vegetables, fruits, meat, eggs, milk, juices are kept inside refrigerators. They get spoiled easily if we keep it outside, especially in summers season and monsoon season. Cooked food is also kept inside refrigerator. So this was about the chapter today which we discussed. So now I'll be asking you a few questions. Let me see. Yes, Kyra.
Yes, ma'am.
The question for you is, I will give you two options. One is correct, other is incorrect. So you have to tell me the correct answer. One is protein oblique carbohydrates give us energy. Which protein gives us energy or carbohydrates?
Carbohydrates.
Yes, right. Carbohydrates give us energy, right there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Tanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
the next question is again two options are given, one is right, another is wrong. Vitamins oblique proteins prevent us from falling ill. Vitamin,
Ma'am, the answer
yes,
is vitamins.
very nice, correct. Vitamins prevent us from falling
Thank
ill.
you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. The next question is, let me ask, I'm trying to give chance to everyone. Yes, Daisel. Yes, Daisel. Yes or no? No reply from you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Daisel, the next question is for you. The question is, washing or boiling is a method to preserve food. Washing is the answer, or boiling is a method to preserve food.
Boiling.
Okay, boiling is a method to preserve food. Right there. Right, Daisel.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Okay, Daisel. Gori? Yes, Gori Sharma? No answer? No answer from Gori, so I'll go to the next. Jayvardi, I've asked you to unmute you, but you never unmute yourself. I don't know why. Whenever I ask you, you all. Yes, Jayvardi, are you listening? No reply from you. Jayvardi, Mehra, is it you? You have unmuted you, but you are not saying yes or no. I don't know why. Are you there or someone else is there? No reply. Jayvardi from your side. So I think I will mute you. I'll give chance to somebody else. Yes. Japleen. Japleen, question for you is again an option question. Almonds and lemons are example of bodybuilding food.
Ma'am,
Is it
please
almond
repeat
or
it.
lemon? Yes, dear.
Ma'am, please repeat it.
The question is almonds or lemons are example of bodybuilding foods. Which is a bodybuilding food out of the two options? I've simplified the question. Is it lemon or almond? People have given me answers in the chat. I did not ask them, but they have given. Seerath has given me the right answer. So let you only. Yes.
Ma'am, repeat the question.
I said, okay, I'll go to the next. I'll give you chance afterwards because the time is getting wasted. I'll give chance to somebody else. Kashvi Gorkha.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it almond or lemon, which is a bodybuilding food? I made it more easier. Is it almond or lemon, which is an example of bodybuilding food? People have given me answers in the chat, but I don't know. When I give you chance, you are unable to answer. When I don't give you chance, then you say, ma'am is not giving chance. Shruti just wrote here. Do you know the answer? I have said the question many times. No answer from you. Only songs are coming from your side. So I'll just mute you. Yes, Seerath.
Yes, ma'am.
You have given me the answer, but I want to hear from you. Almond or lemons are examples of bodybuilding food. Yes, Seerath. Is it almond or lemon, which is a bodybuilding food? So easy question.
Almond.
Okay, answer is right. It is almond. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Let me ask me, Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Ask me. So, question is true or false? Tell me, is it true or false sentence? We get milk from plants. Is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Okay, right. It is wrong. We get milk from cow, from animals. One minute, ask me. Good. Arushi,
Yes, ma'am.
we should drink clean water. Right or wrong?
Ma'am, right.
Right.
Thank you,
Correct.
ma'am.
Okay, dear, correct. Ruhani Manhas. Ruhani, no answer. Shivanya Sharma, no answer.
Yes,
Some
ma'am.
voice. Who is it? Is it Shivanya? Who?
Shivanya Sharma.
Okay, Shivanya Sharma. Shivanya Sharma. Shavya Sharma.
Shivanya Sharma.
Okay, tell me, boiling and refrigerating preserve food item. Is it true or false? Boiling and refrigerating preserve food items. Yes
False.
or no? Right? Okay, okay. It's true.
No, ma'am.
Soumya, Soumya, no answer. Some voices are come. Soumya, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya, question for you is a balanced diet has right amount of nutrients and keep us healthy. Right or wrong? Is this statement right or wrong? No answer.
Ma'am, right.
Okay, right. Okay, right. Now, I was about to ask somebody else. So this was all about today's lesson, that the food we should eat. This was a revision. Now exactly at 10 o'clock, students, I will upload the link of EVS. So no need to worry. Don't keep attention. This is just a practice for your unit 2. So you only have to attempt all the question answers. Whenever the option comes next, you should click next and go to the and wait for some time. Some are doing very fast because net sometimes net is very slow. They cannot go to the next page. So when you click the next button, wait for some time. Okay, then submit the paper. So best of luck for your EVS exam, which will be at 10 today. Okay, then bye, students.